What's up, guys? Today just wanted to talk to you about these SanDisk micro SD cards. I've been using these for probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 years. I'm a full-time content creator and they work incredibly well with pretty much any camera I have. I use a DSLR, an Insta360 X5, which is actually pretty demanding of an SD card, as well as a GoPro 13, and these handle pretty much everything. I have a wide variety of them, everything from 256 to down to 32 gigabytes, which, can kind of handle a variety of different shooting applications and needs that I have like that. But they work well with virtually every camera. Never had any issues with cold or data transfer feeds. Right now I'm gonna go film some snowboarding footage, and I'm at the base of Lake Louise ski area. It's -13, and I trust this to handle the entire day, hands down. So if you're looking for an awesome micro SD card, check this one out. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.